There's no room for error in mission-critical environments. When you're working with UAVs that capture large amounts of sensitive data, you need technology that can be trusted. Panasonic TOUGHBOOK is there to support your mission by reliably storing, processing, and transferring large amounts of data, even in the most challenging conditions. TOUGHBOOK devices can withstand extreme temperatures and harsh field conditions, so you can make quick decisions based on up-to-date information while being able to handle long days or nights in the field. TOUGHBOOK easily adapts to your requirements, while flexible dual-SIM satellite and pass-through antenna connectivity keeps you connected when needed and off the grid when you choose, with hardware and software that works for you and with you. Harness the power of rugged technology solutions, no matter where you are, with TOUGHBOOK.